A Windy Day. Written by Aloysius Bongo. Illustrated by Layla Quinn. It's a windy day today.
It's a windy day today.
I am going to the park.
I'm going to the park.
I am going to fly my kite.
I am going to fly my kite.
It flies up into the sky.
It flies up into the sky.
It flies high past the trees.
It flies high past the tree.
It flies higher past the birds.
It flies higher past the bird.
It flies higher past the clouds.
It flies higher past the cloud.
Uh-oh, it's out of string.
It's out of string.
I am flying with my kite.
I am flying with my kite.
Phew, my dad has got me.
Phew, my dad has got me.